Welcome to 9th chapter from Unit 1. Concept and Principles of Sukshma Vyayama, Sthula Vyayama, Surya Namaskar, and their significance in Yoga Sadhana. Introduction to Yoga Sadhana. Yoga Sadhana means regular and disciplined yoga practice to improve physical, mental, and spiritual health. Yoga Sadhana is a comprehensive practice that nurtures the body, mind, and soul. It includes various disciplines such as Kriya, the cleansing techniques, Asana or the postures, the knowledge and practice of Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga, that is Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. Then proper diet and Pranayama. Pranayama is nothing but regulation of breathing and meditation and much more practices. This chapter focuses on three fundamental yogic practices that plays a crucial role in preparing the body and mind for deeper yoga and spiritual growth. They are Sukshma Vyayama. Sukshma Vyayama is the subtle exercises for joint mobility and energy activation. Sthula Vyayama. It is a dynamic movement for strength, flexibility, and endurance. And Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a powerful sequence of posture that harmonizes the body, breath, and mind. These practices serve as the foundation for a balanced and effective yoga journey. Now, let us explore Sukshma Vyayama. What exactly is Sukshma Vyayama? Sukshma Vyayama is a systematic practice of gentle physical and breathing exercises designed to warm up, stretch, and energize all the joints and muscles in the body. This subtle yogic practices enhances flexibility, circulation, and energy flow, making it an essential part of yoga training. Sukshma Vyayama is often referred to as micro-circulation exercises because it plays a vital role in enhancing blood flow to the smallest blood vessels, that is capillaries, ensuring better oxygenation and nourishment of tissues. Through slow and controlled movements, this practice stimulates circulation even in the smallest muscles and joints, promoting overall flexibility and mobility. Additionally, it facilitates the smooth flow of prana, that is vital energy, through the subtle energy channels called nadis, improving vitality and overall well-being. Now let us know the origin and evolution of Sukshma Vyayama. Sukshma Vyayama was originally developed by Maharshi Kartikeya Maharaj in the Himalayas. He passed this ancient wisdom to Swami Dhirendra Brahmachari, who later popularized and propagated it across the modern world, integrating it into traditional yoga practice. Now let us try to know why Sukshma Vyayama is important. Unlike advanced yogic techniques such as bandhas, mudras, intense pranayama with retention, so that means pranayama with kumbhaka, or complex asanas, Sukshma Vyayama is simple and accessible to everyone, including beginners. For beginners, it helps in gradually opening up the body. For elderly individuals, it improves joint mobility and reduces stiffness. And for the people with health concerns, it is safe for those recovering from illness or unable to perform strenuous exercises. And for the advanced yoga practitioners also, as it acts as a preparatory practice for deeper yoga techniques. Benefits of Sukshma Vyayama: enhances ligament and overall body flexibility, reducing pain, improving mobility, and lowering the risk of injuries. Boosts blood circulation by improving oxygen flow to muscles and organs, helping with detoxification, faster recovery, and better overall health. May strengthen the immune system, helping improve the body's defense mechanisms, cleanses the nadis, that is energy channels, and balances the chakras, ensuring a free flow of prana and promoting physical and mental well-being. prepares the body for advanced asanas and pranayama, ensuring a strong foundation for deeper yoga practices. Sukshma Vyayama is a powerful yet easy to follow practice that nourishes the body, enhances energy circulation, and prepares the mind for higher yogic experiences. It is a must have in any yoga routine, benefiting practitioners of all levels. Sukshma Vyayama consists of 48 exercises, but for the Yoga Wellness Instructor program, we will focus on key movements that enhance joint mobility, flexibility, and circulation. The exercises covered in this program are: the first one is neck movements, also known as Griva Shakti Vikasaka. In this, we have 4 types. This improves the neck flexibility, reduces stiffness, and enhances blood circulation in the cervical region. Next, it is shoulder movements. In that, we have Bhujavalli Shakti Vikasaka. Bhuja means arm. And this particular movement strengthens and mobilizes the arms and shoulders. And the next is Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka. Purna means complete, and Bhuja, like I already told, it's arm. So this enhances full range of motion in the shoulders, preventing stiffness. Third is the trunk movement, also known as Kati Shakti Vikasaka. In this, we have 5 types. Kati means waist or the lumbar region, and this movement improves spinal flexibility, strengthens the lower back, and enhances posture. Then the fourth one is thigh and knee movement. That is Janga Shakti Vikasaka. Janga means thighs. So this movement strengthens the thigh muscles, improving lower body stability. And Janu Shakti Vikasaka. Janu means knee. This enhances knee flexibility, stability, and joint health. Then we have ankle and foot movements. So that is Pada Mula Shakti Vikasaka. In that we have A and B. Pada is foot and Mula is base. This strengthens the foot muscles, improving balance and grounding. And finally, Gulpa Pada, Pristha Pada, Tala Shakti Vikasaka. Gulpa means ankle and Pristha is back, or Tala is sole. This movement improves ankle mobility, enhances foot strength, and prevents stiffness. These selected exercises are simple, effective, and suitable for all, making them ideal for promoting joint health, flexibility, and energy circulation in daily yoga practice. So this will be learning in the practical. Now let's move on to Sthula Vyayama, gross body exercise, and this is also known as macro circulation exercise. Sthula Vyayama refers to a set of physical exercises in yoga that focus on the gross body. These exercises involve large dynamic movements that improve macro circulation, the circulation of blood through major arteries and veins, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to muscles and organs. Now let us understand the characteristics of Sthula Vyayama. Sthula Vyayama consists of larger, more vigorous movements compared to subtle yogic practices like Sukshma Vyayama. It stimulates macro circulation, ensuring proper blood flow throughout the body, helps warm up the muscles and improve joint mobility. Can be compared to cardiovascular workouts like running or cycling, aids in weight reduction, enhances stamina, and builds muscular strength. This is best suited for individuals with a basic level of fitness and no existing ailments or injuries. Elderly individuals should consult their doctor before incorporating Sthula Vyayama into their routine. Now for the Sthula Vyayama, we are having 2 different workouts, that is Ridgati, also known as Engine Daud, and the other one is Sarvanga Pushti, and these 2 we are going to learn in practical. Now let us know the benefits of Sthula Vyayama. Enhances cardiovascular health by improving circulation, reduces stiffness and increases range of motion in joints and muscles, improves digestion and detoxification by stimulating internal organs, helps in fat loss as it burns more calories. Let's move on to Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a dynamic sequence of yoga postures traditionally performed to honor the sun. This practice integrates 12 distinct poses, combining forward and backward bends along with controlled breathing to create a comprehensive full body workout. Why honor the sun? The sun provides light, warmth, and sustenance for all living beings. In yogic philosophy, it represents the cosmic energy that is prana shakti that sustains life on earth. Ancient texts like the Rig Veda contains hymns dedicated to Surya Deva, recognizing the sun's divine power. Surya Namaskar is considered a moving prayer of gratitude to this source of life. Now let us know the physiological benefits of Surya Namaskar. First, for the cardiovascular system, regular practice can improve cardiovascular endurance and efficiency. A study published in the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology found that participants practicing Surya Namaskar experienced beneficial changes in heart rate and oxygen consumption, indicating improved cardiovascular health. Respiratory system. The synchronization of breath with movement in Surya Namaskar enhances lung capacity and respiratory efficiency, promoting healthier respiratory function. Musculoskeletal system. The sequence promotes flexibility, muscle strength, and endurance. Research indicates that regular practice leads to improved muscle strength and general body endurance. Now let us know the benefits for digestive system. Surya Namaskar helps improve digestion by stimulating the abdominal organs. The forward and backward bending movements gently massage the stomach and intestines, helping them work better. This practice also helps with smooth bowel movements, preventing constipation and aiding in the proper elimination of waste from the body. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar can improve metabolism, which means your body can turn food into energy more efficiently. A good metabolism helps in burning calories and reducing excess fat, making it easier to stay fit. Surya Namaskar stimulates various endocrine glands, including the thyroid, adrenal, and pituitary glands, promoting hormonal balance. Many practitioners find that it may be beneficial for managing conditions like PCOS and thyroid disorders. Now let us know the spiritual benefits of Surya Namaskar. The most effective way to do Surya Namaskar is by syncing your breath with each movement while maintaining proper posture and deep breathing. With regular practice, it becomes a form of moving meditation, helping to calm the mind. The forward and backward bending sequence is believed to activate the chakras, which may support overall physical and mental well-being, removing obstacles on the path of yoga.